There is a wonderful Yiddish song that compares the Jewish people to a sukkah. A sukkah is a very frail abode, almost no roofing whatsoever, open to the elements. And the Jewish people in our period of exile specifically have also been the personification of a sukkah, open to the elements, living in exile. And yet we have outlived the Greeks, the Romans, the Byzantines, many an empire. The English Empire rose and fell, Portuguese, Spanish, even the current ones, but we're here. Why? Because this frail sukkah has an inner strength. That inner strength lies at the spiritual core of our collective soul as a Jewish people. Listen to your soul. Listen to the inner voice. Listen to that message which continues to pound within and express it outwardly in a way that gives you a sense of integrity and honesty. Be a Jew makes you express Jewishly and help the world.